This looks to be an old train depot from long ago, because you have the old, there's the railroad lights, and then there's the train tracks, and then, I mean, it's obvious that this was, I'm in Eden, North Carolina. I'm traveling back from Danville, Virginia, and I just happened to, I'm just kind of on the off the beaten path, just traveling. I have no particular agenda today. I did, but now I'm just kind of making my way back home, but slowly. You know, one of those times where you're in no rush and you hope to see good stuff. But look at this. Looks like it's boarded up a little bit. Check these stairs out. Look at those metal bars. I guess I don't know if you can get in. No, it's locked. Yeah, it's boarded up good, but that's cool. Oh, look how. Tried to find some history on it, but I couldn't. But Eden, North Carolina was once called Leakesville. It was known as Leakesville, North Carolina. Oh, look at this little ramp back here. But it looks like your typical train depot, though. I mean, I've seen many train depots, old ones, and they all kind of have that same look. Even that same kind of a typical. It's a typical architecture of a depot from long ago. But anyway, like I said, I'm just traveling, finding what I can, and thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you soon.